Want to keep your children entertained this summer? Take a visit to Leeds City Museum. Discover the history of Leeds and see new exhibitions in the city centre for free. Discover 6 galleries across 4 floors. Children can get close to animals, uncover buried archaeological treasures and discover the incredible story of Leeds history. The museum hosts 2 changing exhibitions per year, along with exciting events for everyone to take part in. You will also find lots of interactive activities for children to get involved with. And why not take some of these fantastic Twinkl resources with you to complete whilst you're at the museum? This museum also has a cafe on site, and don't forget to take a look at the gift shop. And getting to the museum is easy. Either a 10-minute walk from the train station, or you will find a number of the bus routes stopping nearby. If you know of any other free activities in Leeds, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. And I'll see you next time.